Today I'm making a double chocolate tiramisu. First, in a large bowl I have 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Next, I'm going to add a half a cup of powdered sugar. Then add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Next, add 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese. Then mix that up until it's light and fluffy. Now I have these double chocolate chip cookies. I'm going to dip each one in an espresso and then place it in this 9-inch pan and make one even layer. Next, I'm going to add half of the cream mixture and spread that out. Then I'm going to add another layer of the cookies dipped in the espresso. Next, I added the rest of the cream mixture. I'm going to spread that out. Lastly, I'm going to dust with some cocoa powder on top and then place this in the fridge for 3 hours before serving. Here's a slice of the double chocolate tiramisu.